Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have captured significant global interest in the last several years. As of May 2017, total ETF assets under management reached $4 trillion globally. This is 4 times more than was held in 2009. In addition, the number of listed ETFs globally has grown to more than 7,000 as of May 2017. Furthermore, by August 2017, the assets under management crossed $4.3 trillion, an increase of 7.5% just since May. And in 2021, industry experts anticipate total assets in ETFs to cross $7 trillion. An ETF is a marketable security that tracks a particular index, commodities, sectors, bonds, or other baskets of tradable securities. ETFs have become widely acceptable and used due to their trading flexibility. They tend to be less expensive than investment funds, while allowing for broader diversification. For example, let's assume you want access to the Qatari market, where you see opportunities across favorable industries. Further, let's assume you want to trade the Qatari index, which includes companies across sectors like banking and financial services, consumer goods and services, industrials, real estate, telecommunication and transportation. Instead of trying to replicate the sectors of the index and doing the trading yourself, an ETF will allow you to trade the index in one go. The method is quite simple and cost-effective as well. With a single security, you get exposure to everything the index provides and access for the entire trading day at your convenience. Therefore, when buying shares of an ETF, what is actually purchased are shares of a portfolio, which is designed to track the yield and return of its benchmark index. Doha Bank and Amwal present the investment opportunity you are looking for, the QE Index, ETF or QETF. The investment objective of the QTF is to replicate the returns of the QE Index before fees and expenses and provide a yearly dividend in line with the QE Index. Doha Bank and Amwal's proposed listing of the QETF will be on the Qatar Stock Exchange. Having earned approvals from the respective regulators and completed the filing of the listing application, the QETF is a commercial registered open-ended investment fund, and the fund has no foreign ownership restrictions. With one simple trade, you, the investor, can have access to Qatar by purchasing the QETF. Instead of tracking or trading all 20 listed companies on the QE Index. The QETF, like stocks and bonds in the Qatar market, can be bought through your participating licensed brokers. It takes just one click. So remember, if you are bullish on Qatar, the QETF will allow you to have exposure to Q Inc.'s crown jewels.